So here it is. The best business opportunity that you can tap on in this day and age with all the changing digital technologies is your current business. It's still your current business. Kasi nasa yun yung expertise, maaaring ilang dekada mo na yan, na alam, di ba, linya mo na yan, alam mo, alam yung kailangan mong gawin. You just have to make it faster. That's it. In digital, can make your business faster. What does that mean? May prospect or may lead, mabilis kang sumagot, mabilis mo siyang ma-qualify, mabilis mo siyang ma-quote, di ba? Sa panahon kasi ngayon, if mabagal ka, no, in your business, current business, tapos 5 minutes naghintay yung prospect mo, di mo nasagot, hahanap na ng kalaban yan, mag-google na yan. How fast does it take for someone to flip out their phone and type on Google, who is the next best, insert your business here. So the big opportunity in digital transformation is your business right now. You just have to make it faster.
Thank you so much. And the key takeaway that you want to share with them very briefly. Ano key takeaway?
Be fast, be faster, be the fastest in your industry. I guarantee you, your revenues will skyrocket.